This 2022 Jayco Eagle 321 RSTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 36 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco Eagle 321 RSTS is 10,580 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.